girls, how are you? Today we are having a very special class. You will become authors. Yes, that means that you are going to write your own stories. And we are having the first part today. Yes, that means that we are going to decide which story elements you are going to use in your stories. Okay? Let's begin. We all know that stories needs different things, right? Well, first, you need to think on the characters. Characters are the people or animals that the story is about, okay? You have to decide if you are going to have one character or more than one, okay? You have to decide who is going to be your character or characters, okay? Could be a girl, could be a group of farm animals, and also a witch, okay? Another important element is the setting. Yes, the setting is where the story takes place. You have to decide the place where everything is going to happen in your story, okay? Could be in the house, could be the forest, or at the beach, okay? You have to decide the place that your story is going to take place, okay? Another important thing that you need to think on is the sequence of events. Yes, you have to decide what is going to happen in your story. What happens first, what happens next, what happens then, and what happens at last, okay? The sequence of events is to put the events of the story in an order of where they happened, okay? You have to decide these 4 parts of your story, okay? Well, young writers, now let's look what you need to start writing your stories. You need a character or characters. You also need a setting, a place, okay? And you need the sequence of events. Yes, what is going to happen first, what is going to happen next, what is happening then, and what is going to happen at last, okay? Now that you know what is happening in your story or what is your story about, it is time to think on the next element. The title. Yes, the title is the name of your story. For example, the title of this book is From Head to Toe. The title of this one is The Very Hungry Caterpillar. And the title of this one is No David. Now that you know what is going to happen in your story, I want you to think on a title for your story, okay? Think on a title. And then another element that is important, but you already know, the answer is the author. Yes, the author is the person who writes the stories. You know a lot about Oliver Jeffers and Eric Carle, but today the authors are going to be you. Yes, you are going to become authors today because the author of this story will be you. Okay? So now that you know what you need to start thinking on your story, let me tell you the activities for today's class. Okay? Let me go here. Now that you have all this information, that you know who is going to be your character or characters, what is going to be your setting, how is going to be the sequence of events, what is going to be your title, okay? Now I want you to put all this information here in this book report, okay? I want you to start writing the title, the author, that is your name because you are going to be the authors of these stories. Then I want you to draw the characters or characters, okay? Then I want you to draw the setting or settings because it can be in more than one place, okay? And at the end, I want you to draw the sequence of events. What is going to happen first, next, then, and last. Okay? Please, girls, when you finish writing and drawing all this information, I want you to take a picture of your work, okay, and attach it to school. Remember, this is the first part of writing your story. Okay, we are going to have another class where you will start writing it. Okay? Are you ready? Okay? Goodbye, girls, and have fun. Okay? Goodbye.